This is December 13th, 2010. We are on flood watch between Mall and St. Stephen's. Now, as you can see here, you cannot get out of here. It is so bad. Take a look at the mall. It's flooded over. They have shut down Circle K. As you can see down there, down by the propane pump, it is overflowed. They're doing something at Sobeys with all the food and stuff. I don't know what, but they're getting rid of all the food at Sobeys. Ganong's here is shut down for the day. And this is just holy shit. This is hell. There is still power, but there is still power at Ganong. They shut down Ganong's for the day. This is the worst flood ever. Mall, you cannot get into the mall, literally. You cannot get into the mall. You have to go out and around, and you might just make it into the Canadian Tire parking entrance over there. As you can see here, this is the worst flood advisory ever. Transports have been going in and out of Canadian Tire. There goes the red one in there right now. Transports have been going in back and forth Canadian Tire. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.